Hello everyone. Good evening to all. Welcome to Halson Academy. This is ES I Kumar. I think yesterday we are done with the day one exam test series, right? Okay. So those students who have already purchased my classes, this test series is free for them. So I already announced that. Okay. So now I want to discuss the new questions which we have given in the first day of a test series. So I will discuss in this video. I'm going to discuss in this video what is that new questions which we got in our first day of CMA finals year for test series. Clear? So coming to question number one. So this is question number one. Actually, this question is given directly from my material. So this is already discussed in my classroom also. So what is the agenda of this question? Simply you need to calculate the carrying amount and impairment loss. It's a basic question. Correct or not? Before solving this question, you need to know one thing about research expenses as well as the development expenses. Correct or not? So during research phase, whatever the expenses we have incurred, that should be charged to P&L. During development phase, whatever the expenses we have incurred, that should be capitalized, provided recognition criteria should be met. Correct? Yes. That's the question number one. So in this case, we need to analyze the recoverable amount for calculating the impairment loss. Correct? So that is question number one. So not required to discuss in this video. And coming to question number two. Okay. So this question also, actually this question is came from Index 38, right? Index 38. Second question also from Index 38 only. So nothing but it is based on amortization, correct? Based on amortization. So here we have a different metric tons is given. So we need to calculate the amortization value for each year based on this amortization. Nothing but based on this metric tons. So we have already discussed in our classroom, based on cash flows, based on turnover in the same way, based on metric tons, we can calculate the amortization for each year. But we need to consider if there is any revised carrying amounts, if there is any revised estimated metric tons. Okay, so that is given in the question. This is also given in my material, so not required to discuss here. Question number three. Yes, this question also is directly from my material. Okay, it's a very basic and simple question. Okay, so not required to discuss, right? It is from India's 16, right? So this question is there in CMA board material also, correct? Yes, CMA board material as well as my material also, so not required to discuss. Okay, for my students who have taken the classes, not required to discuss this question here. Okay, so they will expect this question from me. Question number 4. Yes, question number 4. We need to discuss this question, guys. The concept I already discussed in my class regarding Index 38. Sorry, Index 16, right? Index 16. The topic is what is this? Replacement of an asset. Correct? A replacement of a part of a component. Correct or not? Yes. So this point is already discussed in my classroom. But we need to solve this question in a simple manner. In a simple manner. So can you, before going to solve this question, can you please tell me what is the treatment for replacement of part of a PP? So in case of a replacement of a part of PP, we need to derecognize the carrying amount of old PP or old component and recognize the cost of new PP, correct? Or new component, correct or not? Yes, this is the treatment. Obviously, sir. Simple. We have a one vision. Out of that one part is we are replacing that. So when we are replacing, it have some carrying amount on that day. So we need to derecognize the carrying amount of that particular part. Correct or not? Now you are inserting new part. So we need to incur the cost, right? So we need to consider, we need to recognize in our books at a cost only. Yes, cost only. Yes. Correct or not? Yes, okay. But this is the special question, guys. I want to discuss. See, please read the question. MS Limited has acquired heavy machinery at a cost of rupees 1 crore with no breakdown of the component parts. Yes. So MS Limited purchased a heavy machinery on first. There is no data. There is no date. Okay, it's no issue. The estimated useful life is 10 years. Okay. At the end of the sixth year, one of the major component, the turbine requires replacement. So we need to replace that one part, right? A further maintenance is uneconomical, so maintenance cost is not economical, okay, and the remainder of the machine is perfect and is expected for last for next 4 years. The cost of a new turbine is 45 lakhs. The discount rate assumed is 5%. Analyze whether the cost of a new turbine can be recognized as an asset, and if yes, then apply the accounting treatment relevant to it. Guys, I'll discuss here. Sorry. See, can you please tell me the part of cost of a machinery? 1 crore, right? This is the cost. Life is how many years? 10 years, correct or not? The cost of a PP is 1 crore and the life is 10 years. The question clearly saying that at the end of the sixth year, correct? At the end of the sixth year, correct or not? So please check that at the end of the sixth year, one component we are replacing. One component we are replacing. That is called turbine here, turbine. So we don't know what is the carrying amount of a old turbine, right? So but we know the cost of a new turbine. What is the cost of new turbine? How much? 45 lakhs. Correct or not? Yes, correct only. So guys will think like this, sir. Where is the carrying amount, sir? As per whatever the concept you have said, okay, whatever the concept you have said, in that case, you need to de-recognize the carrying amount of old PP and recognize the cost of new PP, correct or not? Yes. So this is the concept, correct? Yes, we have a cost of a new PP. Yes, we can recognize that. But where is the carrying amount of old PPE, old part? You have replaced a turbine, right? Where is the old turbine carrying amount? That is given in the question or not? Now you need to calculate that. So we have a discount rate is given, right? We have a discount rate is given in the question, that is 5%. Correct or not? Yes, 5%. See guys, please use your common sense. So in this case, we need to use your common sense. Sir, if you purchase at the end of the sixth year, what is the cost of new PP? 45 lakhs. Correct or not? Today, that is today, sixth year ending. Okay, my question is, what should be the cost of a PPE, that a turbine part, before 6 years? Can you try to tell, please? Anybody? Can you please try to tell? The cost of new PP is 45 lakhs as of now. Correct or not? As of now, the cost of new PP is 45 lakhs. Now I am asking, at the beginning of the year, what may be the cost of the turbine? Turbine part. I'm asking about turbine part. So at the end of the sixth year, it is 45 lakhs. So I want day one, nothing but starting on the date of purchase. How to calculate, sir? So can you please bring it to the present value for a period of how many years? 6 years. Correct or not? Yes, 6 years. Please bring 45 lakhs divided by, what is the rate of discount? Discounting rate how much? 5%. Please calculate, guys. 45 lakhs divided by 1.5 whole power 6. Please tell me. Or you can calculate like that, 1 divided by 1.05 equal to 6 times into 45 lakhs, whatever. Please calculate, guys. Please calculate. Okay. How much? How much, guys? Please tell me. Okay. So what is the cost here? So here already calculated, right? So what is the value? 33 lakh 57,900. Correct or not? I don't have a calci. Okay. 33 lakh 57,900. Bring the calci. Okay. What is the value, guys? 33 lakh 57,900. Correct or not? This is the cost on the date of, if you purchase on the day one. As of now, the cost is 45 lakhs, right? But when you purchase the cost of total PP, we have given the total cost, that is 1 crore. But we don't know exact cost of that particular turbine cost, right? So based on the given new cost, I have calculated. Have calculated. Okay. So what is the value, guys? 33 lakh 57,900. Correct? This is the cost of turbine before 6 years. Correct or not? Yes. Before 6 years, the cost of turbine is this is the value. But I need to derecognize the carrying amount, right? How to calculate the carrying amount? We need to depreciate, right? We need to depreciate it. So please calculate the depreciation for a period of 6 years. Please. Now you can calculate how much? 33 lakh 57,900 divided by 10 into 6. 10 years, late life of the PP is 10 years. So please calculate depreciation for 6 years. How much? 20 lakh 14,740. This is the depreciation for 6 years. Depreciation or yes, 6 years depreciation. Correct or not? Yes, you can calculate, guys. 33 lakh 57,900 is the cost. Life is 10 years. Please calculate depreciation for 6 years. Into 6 by 10. How much? 20 lakh 14,740. Then what is the carrying amount here? Minus 33 lakh 57,900 minus 20 lakh 14,740. How much? 33 lakh 57,900 minus 20 lakh 14,740. How much? 13 lakhs 43,160. This is the carrying amount of that old turbine. Say yes or no? Yes. Yes or no, guys? Yes, obviously. Yes. Understood or not? Yes. It's a very simple thing, guys. Very simple thing. Now you can de-recognize this value. Basically, what is the total cost of a PP? 1 crore. Correct? Yes. So, can you please calculate? Can you please tell me what is the present cost, present value of a PP? Can you please, please, fast. Please tell me. Yes, please try to tell me. Okay. See, come to calculation. It's a very simple thing, guys. See, please take the calcium. Take the cal. Not able to pause this video. Two minutes, guys. Please check the question once, solution once. We'll give the solution. That solution. Okay, guys. See, come to question. What is the total cost of PP? 1 crore. How many years we have used that plant and machinery or machinery? How many years? 6 years. Life is how many years? 10 years. So then what is the depreciation for 6 years on overall asset? 1 crore divided by 10 into 6. How much? 60 lakhs. So then what is the carrying amount of the asset? 40 lakhs. Correct or not? Yes, 40 lakhs. Now, so in this 40 lakhs, in this 40 lakhs, okay, the depreciation on that turbine part is also included or not? That is my question. Sir, no. Yes, already included. Correct or not? Yes, already included. You have calculated separately, but it's okay. Okay. But the depreciation in the 60 lakhs, it includes that part also. Say yes or no. Yes, obviously included. So, not required to deduct the depreciation. So, in this is after 6 years, right? Now what you need to do, sir? Please tell me. Add the add the new cost of the asset, nothing but new part of the PP, minus carrying amount. How much? 13,43,160. Please calculate. 40 plus minus 13,43,160. How much? 7156,840. Correct? How much? 7156,840. Is that clear? So this is the carrying amount of a PP as of. I think everyone have got a clarity about this question, guys. Guys, see, very simple, guys. This is roughly in a simple way I have tell you. So again, I will discuss this. Sir, simple, sir. Total cost of the PP is 1 crore, right? Out of that 1 crore, okay. So please, I am dividing. So now the new cost of a PP is 45 lakhs, correct or not? Yes, because what is the treatment here? New cost of PP should be added. Carrying amount of old part of PP should be derecognized. Nothing but minus. Correct or not? Yes. But we don't know about that. Carrying amount as of now. So, but you can calculate based on this 45 lakhs of a new PP part. Correct or not? Yes. Based on this, I have discount for a period of 6 years. Then the value we got how much? 33 lakh 57,900. This is the cost of the turbine part at the beginning of the year. Now I have depreciated for a period of 6 years. Then what is the carrying amount? So this is the carrying amount 13,43,160. This is the depreciation for 6 years. Now the treatment is, see what's the treatment, guys? So out of 1 crore, 6 years depreciation we have depreciated. How much? 60 lakhs. So what is the balance amount? Carrying amount 40 lakhs. This 60 lakhs depreciation includes that old part depreciation also. Correct or not? Yes. Okay. Not required to deduct again. So out of 45 lakhs. So as of now 40 lakhs value is there. So plus new part of PP 45 lakhs minus carrying amount of old PP. How much? 13 lakhs 43,000. How much? 160. Yes. So then you will get the new part of nothing but revised carrying amount of the PP. As of now, the carrying amount of PP is how much? 71 lakh 56,840. That's it. Clear? It's very simple, guys. Yes. Yeah. Coming to question number 5, I think this is not required to discuss the concept which is covered in my classroom. Okay. So this is the basic change in method of depreciation. So we have calculated depreciation as per which method initially? Initially, which method, sir? Reducing balance method, and then from third year they are changing from WD method to straight line method. So simple way of a calculation. So, so one more point I'm asking. So change in method of depreciation is a change in accounting estimate. Correct or not? Yes. So which have a prospective effect or retrospective effect? Prospective effect from the date of change. Okay, now, so I already discussed about this point. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. This is Devan. And one more. So like this, the everyday videos will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. So please like the video and share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.